Hello, everyone. We are back with our next reverse pitch from Lois Innovation Lab. We have joined by Arshia Lakshman. She heads the partnership and brands at Lois Innovation Lab. Over to you, Arshia.
Thank you so much, Kanish. Hi, everyone. Good evening. I'm really excited to be here. I'm not sure where I'm looking here because I've got multiple cameras. Hope you can see me, and I hope you can see my screen. Kanish, can you see my presentation?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So thank you. Firstly, thank you for having me here. I'm really excited about being on this platform and addressing startups in a reverse pitch, which I think is really one of a kind and something much needed for our ecosystem where startups are thriving so much and they have the right to choose whom they want to work with. And I'm also thankful to the stellar company of fellow speakers from Accenture Ventures, Microsoft for Startups, GitHub. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. So thank you so much. Just to give you a background, my name is Arshia Lakshman. And like Kanish said, I head the partnerships and brand at Lowe's Innovation Labs, India. I have been an entrepreneur twice. I've raised institutional funding. I've also worked for a venture capital firm for a bit. So I feel like I have an understanding of what startups and founders need or want to succeed. And I really do believe that at Lowe's, we are a perfect platform for that. And I hope that by the end of this presentation, we hear from a lot of you, all you startups out there, and get to partner with you. Lowe's Innovation Labs is actually, to be very concise, it's building the future of home improvement. So we think about the future and we build now. And our commitment lies in making home improvement more accessible to everyone, solving for customer challenges today, while taking a deliberate long-term view of what customers will expect tomorrow. So just to kind of give you a brief, because I know there are no Lowe's stores in India, and yet we have 3,100 employees, right? So what is Lowe's, why Lowe's, and how come so many employees, and what's the story? So we're a 100-year-old home improvement company. Yes, that's a pretty long journey for a company, especially for startups like us. We're a 100-year-old company that has been embracing change. It's embraced technology, it's embraced innovation to always stay relevant and ahead of its time and really shape the future of retail. Our numbers really are a representation of that. We're a $90 billion Fortune 50 company. We employ 300,000 associates, and we're serving around 18 million customers every week. So it's really a large well-oiled machine that's going on for 100 years. And Lowe's India specifically is one of the fastest growing GCCs, which is a global capability center, driving tech and business transformation with real impact for Lowe's in the US and North America and Canada, with multiple functions across tech, analytics, business operations, finance, shared services, product management, and of course, innovation. And I would like to talk a little bit more deeply about innovation because that's where I work and that's what I'm most excited about. Before I do that, I want to show a very quick video about Lowe's Innovation Labs. So let me know if you can see it, Kanish. I hope you enjoyed that. And I personally get really excited when I see the video every single time. There is so much of work that we've been doing in so many different areas. And that's really a very, very quick, brief introduction about Lowe's Innovation Labs, which is the hub of innovation for Lowe's. We think about the future, we build now, which basically means we exist to change the face of home improvement for retail and to help Lowe's thrive for the next many, many decades. And like they say, the next 100 years to come, right? We specialize in emerging technologies and we deliberately take a long term view of what customers will expect or what the concept of home could be or even what retail could look like, right? In order to deliver meaningful change today. And Lowe's Innovation Labs, India specifically, is strategically located here for a reason to tap into the very, very booming tech startup academic ecosystem of the country. It plays a very critical role in realizing our global team's startup. So, what I would say for Lowe's Innovation Labs India, I almost believe like there's a three-part charter for us. A, we build relationships and programs with India's tech ecosystem, and then we connect Lowe's business and tech stakeholders to that ecosystem here, and develop customer and associate-facing innovation concepts. And finally, we develop programming that actually fosters an innovation culture throughout Lowe's India and in the US. So these are some of the areas that we want to kind of explore, like spatial commerce and so on and so forth. But I do want to call out, we are not limited to these. So if your startup is something that does not fit in these buckets, I still want to talk to you guys. We still want to hear from you. So please don't just think about these buckets. But just to give you a little example, we've been doing a lot of work with spatial commerce, which means that we have using really cool technologies like LiDAR, AI, computer vision, mixed reality for helping our customers to plan, visualize, shop, all from their home. We're also doing a lot of democratization of expertise, which means that we are unlocking and we're distributing our knowledge of 100 years and our expertise to customers using, again, the latest emerging tech. Finally, we're creating future stores, which is about making stores safe and convenient and stocked and optimized to meet customer expectations using robots and drones and digital twins and AIs and blockchain and more. So it's really exciting to see what Labs is doing across the globe. I want to speak a little bit about what Labs is doing in India. And the work in India is with the ecosystem in India is in more ways than just one. The photographs you see on the slide here are a showcase of our 10,000 square feet lab space that we have in our office in Bangalore for our startups, for our partners. We also have done many in-house road shows, and we participate very heavily with our ecosystem, whether it's Tech Sparks or the Bangalore Tech Summit, and now the Next Summit. And we've done some exciting work within and outside of our startup engagement program. Our startup engagement program actually is called Construct, and it launched very recently. And we've worked with multiple startups varying from computer vision, finance, HR tech, hyper-real, digital humans, and not just retail tech, right? So please do reach out to us if you have anything exciting and innovative and you feel like it could be something you could solve for retail or home improvement or just tech. Our commitment to being an integral part of this ecosystem, I think, is getting stronger as we speak. And what I believe, having been an entrepreneur and having worked for a venture capital firm, I believe that what we offer to our startups is very, very unique. It's very simple. We offer non-dilutive capital, right? Which means startup owns their equity and we don't take any equity. We offer non-dilutive capital for startups to prove their concepts in a real environment of our labs. We're very hands-on. We are rooting for startups to succeed with us. And the benefits that we give range from capital, access to our customers, their challenges, access to a very, very hands-on team, and of course, a global brand and a huge lab that they have access to. But it doesn't stop there. We also have a stellar range of partners, and I'm very thankful to our diverse set of partners and mentors who are committed to helping our startups succeed, which means apart from getting an environment to test their innovation in our labs with us, with our customers, they also get a support of mentorship and media outreach and venture capital connect and multiple software credits. So I do believe this is something that really helps the startup lay the foundation to go to the next level and scale and grow. A very quick shout out to our startups from our first batch of the program that we call Construct. The good thing is that more than 50% of them have gone to scale and gone to the next level. So we actually continue to expand our work with them and don't just stop with one POC. It could go to bigger, larger pilots in production and large scale full contracts as well. And this is something I believe is one of the reasons why what we offer as a startup engagement program is something that I haven't seen everywhere else. And I'm really, really excited by it for the startups and for us as well. Before I jump on to asking you guys if you have any questions, although I have very little limited time, I know, but I do want to show you a very quick video of how we have used emerging tech delivered in partnership with a startup called Stream to remove friction for customers in their customer experience in spatial commerce. I do hope you enjoyed that video and got a little glimpse of what we are really up to and what we believe in and what we want to do and our vision for the future. So, if the idea of driving the next wave of disruptive innovation at scale excites you, please do reach out to us. We look forward to working with really innovative startups, founders, inventors, futurists, and academia. So, speak very soon. And thank you so much, Startup Bruzo, for this opportunity.
Thank you, Arsha. Great having you speak at the event. And anybody who would like to get connected to Arsha, feel free to drop me a line. Happy to build the bridge here. And yeah, thank you so
Thank
much
you so
once
much.
again.
Take care.
You too.